refrigerator.
You can't put a phone in the refrigerator.
Gotta go potty? Aw, who's going to sit on Mama's lap? Oh no, let's put that right there. Good job. No. Don't get the milk. The milk different. No. Oh wait, put that in the trash. Go put that in the garbage. Go put it in the garbage. God, Mommy gonna tell you to put it in the garbage. God, Mommy gonna tell you to put it in the garbage. Tell it. Y'all gonna tell me to put it in the garbage. Y'all gonna tell Daddy to put it in the garbage. Andre, isn't that true?
Yeah.
Because